Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you a couple of different ways to share your location with someone on an iPhone. First, we'll look at how to share your current location at that moment, say if you're meeting up somewhere, and then I'll show you how to share your location for a set amount of time or indefinitely. This is a great feature for, say, something like your family. Before we begin, you have to make sure that location services are turned on. Head into Settings, scroll down, and then choose Privacy. At the top, tap Location Services and then make sure that the feature is enabled. Now we'll look at how to share your current location with someone through messages. Open your text messages and start a new text to the person that you want to share with. I'll type something like "I'm at" and you'll see current location appear below it. Tap that and it'll send your current location to that person. They can then choose it on their device and use it to find you. The next way is to share for a period of time or indefinitely. I find it's easiest again to go through your Messages app here. Tap the contact's name at the top and then choose Info underneath of their name. In the second section, you'll see Send My Current Location and Share My Location. The first option is what we just did. Choose the second option, Share My Location, and then choose how long you'd like to share for. Your contact will then start to be able to see your location by simply heading into the info section under your name just like we did here. And if you ever want to stop sharing your location, just head back into here and choose Stop Sharing My Location. And that's how you share your location with someone on an iPhone. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.